Hola, ¿qué está pasando? Or as they say in English, what's going on? That's about the extent of my Spanish, unless I'm using Google Translate. It's Roberto Tyrell, excited to bring you a free video that will help level up your internet marketing skills. Today, I'm going to talk about a free tool to create your own animated GIFs called Giphy. Giphy allows you to create your very own GIFs from scratch. Giphy is available for desktop, and they even have a mobile app. GIFs are quite popular because they're short and to the point, animated, usually funny in nature, expressing some kind of emotion to the viewer. GIFs can be used in your ads, emails, social media posts, blogs, text messages, and so on. They're unique since it's almost like a short animated image on repeat, no sound required. Typically, they're captioned with a short message which gives off the main punchline of your GIF, kind of like memes which are equally popular. To simply create your own GIF, create a free account on Giphy. Click on the Create button to get started. You can upload a video or even multiple images like a slideshow. In this example, I'm going to use a video of my adorable female husky, Serena, as she kills you with all of her cuteness. And yes, she really does sleep like that, paws straight up as an arrow, even sometimes directly pointing up to the ceiling. After it loads, you're able to control the length and start time of the GIF. I want to focus in on the close-up footage, so I'll push the start time up. I'll extend the GIF to 15 seconds since Serena isn't moving in this shot, and it's more about her awkward sleeping pose. Hit the Continue to Decorate button when you're all set, and this will give you additional options to customize your GIF. I already added some effects to this video, so I'm going to let it be. Click Continue to Upload to add tags and a source URL, giving attribution to the owner of the content. If you own the content, great. If you don't, as I always say, do your own research on whose content you're using and how you can use it. I'm not a lawyer, and you wouldn't want to take legal advice from me anyway. Click Upload to Giphy, and that's it. You have several options on how you can share your newly designed GIF, from URL links, various file sizes to download, and you can even embed codes for your website and blog. Create GIFs to spice up those boring images. Make that meme come alive with some animation and catch the attention of your audience. If you have any questions, feel free to post it in the group, and be sure to share your newly created GIFs and how you're using them with Giphy in the comments section. I hope you found this video useful. Check out all of the free content in our unit section of this group in the YMZ Video Vault. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Gracias por has hecho, or thanks for watching. Adios.